Everyone creates a YouTube channel, but when it comes to writing scripts, editing, or creating content, everyone gets confused. Now listen, if I tell you that without showing your face, without using a mic, you can create viral videos using AI, and this isn't some fantasy. I'm going to show you the complete, real, tested, step-by-step method. Just watch the video till the end. Let's go towards the process. Step 1. Niche selection. Look, bro. If you want success in YouTube automation, then the first thing is to choose the right niche. Now don't just pick any random niche. Choose a niche that's a mix of 3 things. One you enjoy, have some experience in, and most importantly, one that makes money. Meaning, pick a niche you actually like, have some idea about, and that can earn well. If we are building a faceless channel where AI will do everything, then no need to worry about experience. Just focus on money. Work on whatever gives more money. Now let's open ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it which niches are currently the most profitable on YouTube. Prompt: give me a rundown of the most profitable, high-paying niches on YouTube now. See. ChatGPT gave us a full list. The one I'm picking, personal finance. Step 2, branding means making your channel stand out from all the other YouTube channels. For this, you need a unique channel name, logo, banner, and description. Let's go to ChatGPT and see how to make all this. Now just type, I'm starting a personal finance YouTube channel. Give me some catchy YouTube channel names I can use. Pick any name from the suggestions. Now we need a channel description. We'll ask ChatGPT again. Done. Here's the perfect channel description. Next step, let's generate a good channel logo. Note, now you can generate images with ChatGPT. 2. So no need for other image generators like Lardo or Bit Generator. Just type this prompt. Please design a logo for this channel. Make sure it corresponds with this name. Wait a bit, and boom, everything's ready. For the banner, go to canva.com, pick any banner template, and edit it. You can make something simple. Just write subscribe now. Create a new YouTube channel and upload the logo, name, and description. Once your channel is set, you're ready to make your first faceless video. Step 3, script writing, just so. Now the biggest secret behind a successful faceless video or channel is a powerful script. And your script is the core of your video. Even if the editing isn't great, even if you don't spend hours creating flashy graphics or high-quality visuals, if your content is entertaining and valuable, people will watch your video till the end. What I mean is, more and more people will keep coming back to your channel just because of a good script. This directly means more subscribers, right? More likes, more watch hours. And guess what? That's all you need for YouTube success. Now that you understand how important the script is, let's see how to use ChatGPT to generate the best possible script. But before we go to ChatGPT, let's highlight some important things. We must tell AI. You can simply go to ChatGPT and type, give me a script on how to make $0 in your 20s. But if you do that, AI will generate a random low-quality script that'll make a bad video. So we need to make our prompt much more detailed. There are 8 special things for a detailed prompt. Video length, audience, demographic, audience, persona. Tone, storytelling framework, emotional triggers, retention tactics, call to action, CTA. Now let's edit our original prompt and add these elements. Give me a script on how to make $0 in your 20s. Now add video length and audience demo. Give me a detailed script on how to make $0 in your 20s. The video is 10 minutes long and my target audience is 20 to 30 years old in the US. Next, add audience persona and tone. Just understand audience persona means mindset, habits, or personality of your audience. Now the prompt becomes, give me a detailed script on how to make $0 in your 20s. The video is 10 minutes long. My target audience is 20 to 30 years old in the US who want to make money online. Use a casual and engaging tone. This prompt is already quite good. So good that ChatGPT can generate an exponential script. But we want the best. So now we'll add storytelling frameworks, emotional triggers, and retention tactics. For storytelling framework, tell ChatGPT to use the 3-act structure. It's a famous structure used by top writers. It makes stories interesting and engaging. Number 6, emotional triggers. These are emotional elements that make your audience take you seriously, like fear, excitement, or urgency. Number 7, retention tactics. This means adding hooks in the script, so Viewers don't leave the video like funny bits, questions, catchy intros, etc. #8CTA call to action means telling viewers to like, subscribe, or click links in the description. Finally, your fully comprehensive GPT prompt will look like this. Just know it's long, but that's a good thing. AI is like a computer. You must tell it clearly what you want. Otherwise, it's garbage in, garbage out. You get me, right? This prompt structure can be used for any topic in any niche. Just make the necessary edits. So ChatGPT will always give you a killer script. Step 4, voiceover now. In the market, there are many AI voiceover tools, free and paid. But the one I recommend is ElevenLabs. Its audio is always very realistic. You can even clone your voice and use it for your channel. To use ElevenLabs, go to the website, click on text-to-speech. Copy your script 500-word section, paste. In ElevenLabs, click Generate, done. This way you get an authentic voiceover for your script. Also remember, you can change your voice anytime. AI has male and female voices you can choose from. ElevenLabs also has settings like voice cloning, tone, style, stability, pacing, etc. But these aren't always necessary. The default settings work great too if you want to unlock the full power of ElevenLabs and take your YouTube automation to the next level. You'll need the basic plan. With this plan, you can easily generate voiceovers for 5 to 6 long videos every month. Amazing, right? You just need one thing to complete everything: visuals. Once you have all your visuals ready for your video, just add the voiceover, put some background music, and done. Your faceless video is ready. Once again, use AI. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I'm generating visuals for my YouTube video. I need you to give me prompts for each line, paragraphs, so I can use them to generate visuals with an AI. Image generator. Copy every paragraph of your script and paste one by one into ChatGPT. It will give you visual prompts for each part. Copy every prompt and go to Leonardo AI to generate your visuals. Note, Leonardo's free version doesn't allow too many image generations. To bypass that, use multiple emails or use tools like Groq or Gemini AI. Once all your visuals are downloaded and ready, go to CapCut to assemble everything. CapCut is a free video editing tool, very easy to use. Drag and drop the voiceover first, then place all the visuals element by element to make videos more interesting. Add filters and effects like zoom in, then go to YouTube audio library. Download some suitable background music and add it to your video. To make your video more realistic, you can also use free images and clips from stock websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and covar.ad those clips in between the videos so the audience stays engaged. By the way, here's a major tip. Always try to match your audio and visuals. If you're talking about money, the visuals should also relate to money. This makes your video relevant and unique. Now see how our final video looks. As you can see, it's quite good. Yes, editing can be tough sometimes and take hours, but if you're a lazy editor, be happy. There's an AI that can do all the work for you. Just use Caber AI Video Generator. It's totally free and can generate videos just from your script and voiceover. Yes. You can give it a final touch later to make the video perfect, but overall, this AI video editor saves you both time and effort and makes exceptional videos. Before we end, let me show you how to create catchy thumbnails in seconds. Go to ChatGPT, type, "Give me a catchy viral thumbnail for the video." Title, "How to make $0 in your 20s wait a bit." Okay. And ChatGPT will generate an image for you. Note, ChatGPT's free version has limited image generation per day, so don't waste your chances. That's all for this video. So friends, these are some amazing AI tools that can take your YouTube automation to a new level, whether it's script writing, voiceover, visual generation, or editing. If you watched the video carefully, then now you have a complete system to run your channel without showing your face. If you learned something new from the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments which tool you found the most useful. I'll see you in the next video with another awesome topic. Till then, keep creating and keep growing. If you want to know how to build a website without writing a single line of code, check out the video on your screen.